Yo, what's up, my Forex people? Hope mko fiti. So today is a quick one. I want to talk to people who do derivative and binary. So you can't afford the analysis tool offered by these big companies like Binary Bots Africa, Elite Scope, Trade City, BS Dollars. You can't afford them because they charge high, 15K, 20K. So I have a solution for you. If you can't afford it, Master Navigator got your back. So the first thing you need to go, let me show you. Go to masternavigator.net. You're going to find an analysis tool for matches and differs, even and odd, over, under, and then rise and fall. So let me show you how you are going to access free analysis tool. So go to masternavigator.net, click on the analysis tool for binary and derivative. You can select either over, under. You can see those are real-time analysis, real-time with the real market. You can select even and odd. It's very helpful to use the analysis tool when you are doing even and odd. You can select rise and fall. For those who do rise and fall, get your analysis there. Matches and differs. I'm not a big fan of matches and differs, but it'll come in handy. So you go and download. You can also get free bots from my website. And that's how you get a free analysis tool. You're going to use it in your trading, derivative trading on over, under, rise and fall, matches and differs. Hope that video is very helpful. Remember to click the plus button there. Yeah, my lips are orange because I'm drinking Fanta. So